Hello, I'm Mac Lees, and today I'm going to teach you about the egg experiment. Pretty simple thing, and I think you're going to find it really interesting. What this experiment is an air pressure experiment in which you take a hard-boiled egg and you make it so it sucks into a bottle. Now, how it works is you heat up a piece of paper or napkin or whatever, and you stick it in the bottle. Right after you do that, you take a peeled egg, which I'll show you later, and then you put it right on top. And what happens is the air molecules spread out, and some of them escape the bottle through right past the egg. So you'll see the egg vibrate a little bit during the experiment, and then as the flame goes out, the egg gets sucked right through. And what happens there is, so the air molecules were expanding, and then when the flame goes out, they start coming back in. So it's sucking everything in with it. So that's basically just how this experiment works. Now I'll demonstrate it. To start this experiment, you just need to make some hard-boiled eggs. Pretty simple. Just put them in some water, boil them up. You know, it's a simple thing to do. Next, you just have to peel the egg so it's just bare, just a regular hard-boiled egg. This takes a while, but you just gotta do it. So now that you got that all peeled and nice, you want to take a paper towel, but you don't want to use all of it because it might be too big of a flame, so you kind of make it a little shorter, you know, crumple it down a little bit. And then what I like to do is put it like this so it stays, and then you just get a match, light the match, light the paper towel, and push it down, and then you put that on right away, and that's what happens. So yeah, basically air pressure, the molecules are going out and then sucked right in, and boom, you saw it go. So to sum it up, the way this experiment works is, as I said earlier, the heated molecules want to expand out, so they try to go outside and they get by the egg, make the egg vibrate a little bit. And then as soon as the flame goes out, air inside the bottle starts to cool down. Now if you were to do this without an egg on top, the air from outside would just come in, but the egg's there. So in order for it to come in, the egg has to come too, so that's how it just gets sucked right in. Scientists refer to this as a partial vacuum. It's just pretty much because the air is in a vacuum and the egg's there, and it gets sucked right in that vacuum. And yeah, that sums it up. That's how the science works.